Hi guys, welcome back. Today in this video, I will show you how to edit your photos with disposable camera effect using Lightroom Mobile. Passwords for presets will appear as an iCard anytime in this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel. So let's start editing. Bring the contrast and highlights to -16. Shadows to -32. Whites to 40 and blacks to -20. Now go to curve and follow the steps. Click Done. Now bring tint to 20, vibrance to 30 and saturation to -20. Now go to color mix. Bring saturation and luminance to 16 for red. For orange, bring saturation to 20 and luminance to 25. For yellow, bring hue to 30, saturation to -10 and luminance to 20. Saturation to -40 and luminance to -20 for green. Click Done. Bring the clarity to 10, vignette to -59 and midpoint to 35. Push grain to 20. Now let's try to copy settings to other photos. You might need to change some settings before applying the preset to your photos. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.
I gave you my heart.